Christmas gift. Merry Christmas. I love you. I love you. Open your Christmas gift. This is from your daycare. Open it. Wow. Open it. Come, let's open it together. Let's open Cairon's Christmas gift together. Let's go. Ready? Look. Come. Wow, let's see what's inside. Open it. Pull it. Rip it apart. Rip it apart. You tear it. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, you get trucks. Woo! Say thank you, Kuldeep. Get off, stand up. Come off of the other iPad. Wow, you want to open it? Open it. Yeah. Waiting. Mama needs to go get her scissors, okay? Mama. See? Wow, Kyrie. That's nice. Let's go get scissors. See, mommy get the scissors. Cut it. Wow, Kyrie. Yay, here you go. Say thank you. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Another Griff. Here. What color is that? Green. What color is your truck? Green. Wait, let mommy cut this one. What color is this one? Red. That's a red truck. Wow. You want to open another gift? Let's see what Sawyer got you.
I know.
Yeah. He's lining up his gift over there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you could switch them on. Come, look, let's go see what you got. Come here. Yeah. Kai.
Yeah.
Let's look what you got here. Exactly. We got the same thing.
Yeah.
Cairon, you got the same thing like the first gift. Wow. Same thing. It's the same thing. I'm not opening this one.
Yeah.
Let's see what Mama got for you. Here, come open this one. This is from Mama to you. Here. Come now. Rip it open. Tear it. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, this is what Mama got for Kai Kai. Yeah, the train. How the train goes? This is what Mama got for Kai Kai. Oh my. Cairon, let's open another gift. Let's open this one. See what Mama got for you again. Let's look. Rip it. Rip it, my son. Rip it. Rip it. Wow. Wow. Wow, bowling pins. It's Paw Patrol. Wow. Look. Wow. Bowling pins. Nice. And look what Auntie got for the baby. Come, rip this one. Say thank you, Auntie Winsome. Rip it. Let's go. Yeah. Yay! Wow! Good job. So Cairon opened all his gifts, as you can see here. He's most excited about the cars. Yellow. Blue. Good job, red. You know. What color is that? Blue. Good job. It's the same thing. Wow. You want to open it? Look at the mess that he created. Really? Yay. Careful, okay? My baby. Merry Christmas, my sweetheart. I love you. I love you, Cairon. Say love you, Mama. Bye. Where are we going? Why are you telling me bye? Bye. Let's open another gift. Let's open this one. See what Mama got for you again? Let's look. Rip it. Rip it, my son. Rip it. Rip it. You want to open this one again?
Wow!
I guess my living room will be all trash today, right? But that's what you get when you have kids. What is that? Come here. Come take out the rest of this. Look. Mommy go open the tool kit for you. Come. Yay. job.
Yay! Good job.
Good job.
Let's see. Wait.
What color? This is garbage. Yeah, finish. Open this one. Let's open this one. Yeah, we always excited for this one. Watch your finger, watch your finger. Excuse me. Excuse me, we don't want you to get cut, okay? Ba 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 ba.
Oh, yeah.